Hey, we're back. We're going a bit out of order, but that's all right. Test 4, 2, A, B, and C. Just back there. Okay. So I like these questions. They're pretty easy questions. It's about negative exponents and above and below, numerator and denominator of a division. You know what I'm saying. 5x to the power of 5, y negative 4. 15x 8 to the power of 8, y to the power of negative 2. So, first thing we can do is simplify the constants. Make that 1 over 3. Really easy. So what this means is 5 minus 8x. So it's going to be a negative, so it's got to be at the bottom, and it's 3. So negative 3 if it was at the top, but it's positive 3 down here. Same thing, except what we're going to do is in our head, we're going to switch them. So that's going to be negative 2, that's going to be negative 4. Right? Yes. No, positive. So now it's 2 minus 4, which is y negative squared up here and positive squared down here. So that is our answer, 1 over 3x 3y2. That's A. B. Negative 3x negative cubed y squared to the power of negative 3. Okay, so we're going to distribute this exponent, which just means multiply by exponents. So the negative 3 is going to have the negative, hold on. Negative 3 is going to have the negative 3. Negative 3 times negative 3 is x to the power of positive 9, because they cancel out. 2 times negative 3 is y negative 6. So, x to the power of 9 is going to be up here. I just know we can move the y negative 6 to the bottom, the denominator, make it y positive 6 to the power of positive 6. Excuse me. First thing we do, or the last thing we have to do, is multiply the exponent to negative 3. So negative 3, negative 3, negative 3. There is no parentheses, so that has to do with it making it positive or negative. But that's negative 3 times negative 3 is positive 9. And then we have the negative 3. And then there's negative 27. But it's a negative exponent, so our negative 27 is going to be on the bottom. So that is the answer to B. X to the power of 9 over negative 27, y to the power of 6. Last one, subtraction of rational equations, that's what they are. 6 over 2a, that's not a 2, come on, a squared b, minus 5, 3a b squared. So what we're going to do, make the denominators the same, and then we're going to be able to multiply, or no, subtract the numerators. Make the denominators the same, subtract the numerators. So what that consists of is multiplying, we're going to make it 3b, because there's an extra b over here, and then the 3 is the constant. Here we have an extra a over here, and the 2 is the constant. And it's not because of the constant, but it's the easiest way, it's the fastest way to get the lowest common denominator. So it's going to be 2a. That'll be 18b over 6 6a squared b squared minus 10a over 6a squared b squared. Sorry, that's a little hard to read, but denominator is the same. We can make this one fraction and subtract these two. So that is the answer I had. You give me a half a point off because I can simplify this. We can take away 2 from all of these. No we can't take away the a or the b because these only have one b or a. So take away 2. 9b minus 5a, parentheses, and then all that is over 3a squared b squared, sorry. So that's the answer, 9b minus 5a over 3a squared b squared. That is exam 4, question 2, A, B, and C.